Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so just recently I received a bulging package from an awesome giveaway from Ryan McCreary. And again, Ryan, thank you for the opportunity for that awesome giveaway, brother. That was just a ton of locks. But in that giveaway, he had a few of his challenge locks in there. He had this slag style kick in there that he calls, well, he's saying, can't open this, pinned by Ryan M. He had a couple others. One of them is a reverse style Yale, which I'm not all that fond of. And the other one was a quick set. So I figured we'd try this one. And if we can't get this one open, well, I guess I'll stop the video and we'll try one of the other ones, I guess. Yeah. This is the bidding on the key. It's got a pretty decent bidding. Does work very smoothly. And we're going to see if we can get this open. And we'll see what he put in there. Okay. Alright, I'll try this anyways. I'm not sure if I could use that. And, well, we're going to go with my favorite pick from Trickmaster. And a tension wrench here. And 50 thousandths. And let's see what we got. And that was a huge giveaway, guys. Ryan McCreary, I'm telling you guys. You really should go check out his channel. He's another one of our fellow pickers in our community that makes this community awesome. Okay, I think that was pin 3. A little click off of 2. That was a little click from 1. Alright, now I'm trying to get past 4, maybe. Like I said, I might have to take that shotgun out of there. It's nice to be able to use it for leverage if you can. Oh, there's a couple of nice clicks off of 3. Gave me a decent false set. Get some counter right here, but that's way up there. Alright, not sure if I got him, but I definitely dropped some pins up here. That was pin 2. Counter back here, I think on pin 4. Whoa. Did not like that though. Drop some more pins again for sure. Yep. Drop that pin 2 again. Let's see what else we can find, guys. I think I just got a little movement off of pin 4. That one feels like it has to go up even higher, though. Well, and we're open on 2. Awesome. Alright, let's see what Ryan's got in this lock. Sweet. That was a fun lock. Alright, let me put this down here. Back us up. Let's grab the pinning tray, guys. Alright. When I still have that spring on there that I thought was in that last lock, let me put that there. And let's get this thing open. Alright, well, we have a key, so we're going to lock it up while we take the cap off. Alright, I I guess that spring wants to stay home. I think that's all the way. Alright, there was 6 pins in there. He did sneak an extra pin in there on us. Alright. There they all are. They're all in there and working. And they all need to be picked. Nice, and he's got some work done there with some counter milling, some threading. Alright, let's check this out. Pin 1 looks like a standard. Pin 2, standard. Pin 3 looks like it has a single serration, or kind of a spool, I guess. And another standard there in 4. 5 doesn't want to come out. 6 is a double spool. Come on out. Come on out there, 5. I guess we're going to have to use the key. There it is. Huh, it was stuck and it was just a standard. Huh. Alright, I'll put that key right there. Okay, so we can see nothing done in 1. It's got some threading in 2. Counter milling in 3 and 4. And some threading in 5. Alright, let's see what he's got up here. Pin 1 looks like a serrated T-pin, or maybe a kind of a wedding cake type. And a steel spring. Another serrated here, and 2. Steel spring. Spool here in 3. All the springs so far are the same. Standard in 6. Oh, okay, we got a copper spring. Very short copper spring. What is that? That is a pin and pin. Alright, I'll take that apart in a minute. Steel spring. Last but not least, number 4 is a spool. Mushroom type of spool. And a steel spring. Alright, let me kind of take this pin apart a little bit. Should have actually took it apart in my hand because I like bringing... Actually, I'll do something a little different so I don't have to pick them up in my hand. Alright. Bring them up like this, and hopefully I can see through the monitor at the same time. Alright, well, we got a standard in 1, and we got this wedding cake type T-pin up top. Standard in 2. Very serrated up top. That's a spool, kind of almost like a mushroom type of spool in 3, and another spool up top. Standard here in 4. I don't know why I'm picking them up. I said I was going to pick this up so I wouldn't have to pick them up. Oh, sorry, I took it out of frame though. Yeah, we got a mushroom type of spool here in 5. Standard, or excuse me, in 4. Standard down here in 5. And then we got this serrated collar and everything, this tiny collar, but you can see it has a serration on it. I get it to focus there. It's got a serration on the collar and a serration on the pin. I believe it came out that way. I'm not exactly positive because it looked like it was almost the same on both ends when it was in there like that, but I think it came out T-pin like type. Then we got this double spool here in 6 and a standard up top. And this is the only different spring, this little copper spring here in 6. But yeah, very fun lock from Ryan McCreary. And again, Ryan, thanks, brother, for that awesome giveaway. And guys, yeah, please go check out Ryan's channel. Yeah, alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.